process of issuing no new certificates within the academic departments. It is used in the colleges, institutions, universities, and the companies, etc. New certificate generator involves manual process of issuing, where students are required to get clearance from the various departments like libraries, laboratories. It is very difficult to access manually, so it consumes lots of time and inefficient, and they may occur many errors. So this project replaces the traditional manual clearance process with a streamlined digital workflow where we can save the time and the errors, so that this project may help a lot. So the next part will be continued by Anu.
So now I will continue problem statement. Develop a web-based or desktop application that allows department administrators to manage and process a notice certificate efficiently. The system should provide us streamlined workflow with clearance of nodule certificate, and it also generate a PDF. So methodology. The process starts there. Student submits request. The student submits a request for a nodule clearance in the form of a request. Backend receives request. The server or a system receives the request, and it starts checking. Views exist. If the views exist, it shows S, and the request will not request is sent to the server, and the student if the views exist, it shows S, and the request will not request is sent to the server, and the student if there is any views, then the students, if there is no views, it will start generating the certificate, and generate certificate with protector, and it also gives in the PDF form, and end it with the request. Next one.
I am in the course and technology to develop the myself Devika, the department level knowledge certificate is an based development used to create and used to the children and automate for the knowledge